Hi, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to import avatars into Unity. Before we begin, we need to think about what our avatar needs to do. So why do we need an avatar for our project? Because there's a vast database of avatars out there, either in the asset store or online, or even if you're downloading straight from a 3D modeling software such as Maya. Now, what we need to look for in an avatar for our project is one with high fidelity and one that has morph targets, or another way to put it is having blend shapes. Now, blend shapes is a direct copy of our avatar that we have. And by creating this copy of our avatar, we can blend in between these two versions, creating a morph of our avatar's facial features. So, those are the two things that we're going to be looking at. Now we're going to start looking for our avatars through the asset store from Unity. The reason why we're going to look there is because it guarantees that the avatar that we download is compatible with Unity 3D. So, are you ready? Great. Now, as you can see, I have my Unity 3D software open already, and I have my asset store tab open for me as well. Now that we know what we need to search for, let's give it a go. Now I'm going to type in human because the avatar that I'm looking for needs to be human. And I also want it to be free. Now from previous search, I already found an avatar that will suit my needs. So if you don't like this avatar and you want to find your own avatar, then that's fine. But there's a few things and a few keywords you must look out for in the description, just to make sure that it's compatible and it's useful. So in the avatar that I've chosen, I can see morph. It tells me that it has morph capabilities. So I immediately know that this avatar has morph targets. And I can see from the images provided that the avatar is quite realistic. It's also good to see if the avatar is fully rigged for mechanism. This gives us the ability to fully manipulate the movement of our avatar. So once you're happy with the avatar you've chosen, then you select download. Since I already have this avatar downloaded, it's telling me to import. Once you've selected download and then import, you'll start decompressing and preparing the package to add to your project. Nothing to import. This is because I already imported this asset. So as you can see in the asset folder, there's a folder named FG3D, which is the name of the asset. So Unity is telling me that it's already there. So I select OK. And then I have it. Now there's a few folders that comes with this avatar. Animation, character, cloth, prefabs, scenes, scripts, shaders, shared materials, shared textures, and vendor. The important ones that we want, perhaps are scenes, which comes with a demo scene, which has the avatar already there. And this is a way that the publisher or the creator shows us the capabilities of the avatar we've downloaded. So we're going to switch to scene, and I have an empty scene here. And I'm going to find my character, so I'm going to select the character scene, character folder, select that, and then I see the asset, the model of my character here, my avatar. So I'm going to drag that into my scene. There's no light, so I'm going to just add a quick light in there. I'm going to double click on my avatar so that I can see it point light's a little too far away, so I'm going to try and make it a bit closer to my avatar, and I'm going to put up the intensity. There we are. So now I can see my avatar. As you can see, it's quite naked. So we're going to put on some clothes. Normally, there's a folder called cloth or clothing. So I'm going to select on that cloth clothing folder, select male, go into wag suit, and then I can see that there's an asset for clothing. So I'm going to drag that onto the name of the avatar asset in my hierarchy, and that should clothe it. So now he's clothed. So now we have our asset, our avatar asset, in our scene. So we can start manipulating his movements. So we can move him. And we can rotate. Oh, as you can see, the clothing and the asset are separated. A simple way of moving both of them is to select both parts of the asset and move them like this. This also works for every body part. And there you have it. That's the basic way of importing your avatar and manipulating the limbs and features. So how about you give that a try?